Bluebird fly under the clouds. He's at peace now. Raven sings in his doubt. Wonder has gone now. But I never know what's taking me home again. I'm so scared of the plague as it rises in pain, spills on the streets. There's no one to see, locked inside, holding on to the light that's left in me. I'll sing a song just to move on strong, but I go the same on the road till it burns out the light, knowing doubt in the night could curse me in this fight. What a disaster burning as the towns are yearning for more. Now the plague has gone down, rising hope around, flatten the curve of love that was swerved. Bluebird flies under the clouds. He's at peace now. Pastel fields and the cows grazing on the land as wind will heal. Peaceful and still, losing sight of the thrills of yesterday. Tomorrow has painted away. What of the doubt caused around, weary and burdened in town? Still a plague runs around. As I seek better ground, there's nowhere to hide, feeling the fire burn inside. Ease off the brake as we move on to the lawn at the end of the world. Feeling the sights of June as you tightly holding the wheel. Steal a glimpse of her love, it was shining once like the moon above. If we can make it, I know there's still time. Try to rush through the streets of crime. What of all my perfection left behind at the new intersection? What of the way we turn today, see tomorrow in a play, fighting fire as we row through the waters of woe again?